You are on to Grace Adelegan TV. You are on to Grace Adelegan.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be preparing beans and corn, and beans and corn is popularly eaten in Nigeria, so I just thought to carry you guys along in my kitchen this beautiful day. So you're welcome to my channel. I am Grace Adelegan. So let's go into the ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. It's so delicious, your family will love it, and it's popularly eaten in Nigeria. Yeah, so you will love to try this recipe, and you can get all these ingredients from African store around you. So I will show you step by step how I prepare this meal. You can also prepare it on your regular pot, but I will be using my instant pot today, and I will show you the step by step method. And it's so easy and simple to prepare. Within 20 minutes you are done, but with your regular pots you can go probably 1 hour. So I need to be sincere with you, but with instant pot within 20 minutes you are all set. So let's go into the recipe. Nigeria honey beans, you can get it in African store. Like I said, I have to wash this for 3 to 4 times, yeah, to get it clean. But if you are using normal black eyed peas, that one is already clean. You can also wash it. You're going to need your onion and your bell pepper. This one is already blended. And corn, sweet corn, I'm going to use this. You can get this also in normal store, normal grocery store. Yeah, and this is the main thing that you need. Palm oil. This one is cholesterol free. You can get it from African store. This is palm oil. You can see the color. So that's the brand that I'm using. Like I said, I'm using Instant pots for this recipe. You can also use your regular pots, yeah, but it will take an hour, like I said. So I have my Instant pot. I'm going to turn it on and put it on keep warm and pressure cook, like you can see. So I'll reduce the amount of time I'm going to use. I'm going to use just 7 minutes to parboil the beans first. Sorry, that speed. So I already have my parboil water, as you can see. Yeah. So that's it. And I have my already washed beans, as you can see. I'll just turn that in and hoping that to be done. After 7 minutes, I will pour the water away. Yeah. After about 7 minutes, I'm straining the water out. Yeah. So I'm going to pour fresh parboiled water, as you can see. So one thing I will say, you don't have to allow the water to go above the beans, because it will be done on time. Within 15 minutes to 20 minutes it will be done. So, and you don't want it to be too cooked, too soft. So at this point I'm going to add all my ingredients. My onions will go first, because we are going to cook it at the same time. My pepper mix will go. Yeah. So this is 3 cups of corn, sweet corn. So this is 1 teaspoon of salt, but I'm not going to use everything. I'll just use a little bit because I don't want to be too much. So at this point I will cover and put it back on. Keep warm and fresher cook. Then I will cook it for 20 minutes. So that's all. So a Nigerian corn beans is ready.